This is HP EliteBook G7, came with Core i5 Intel 10th Gen processor, compacted design, running for last couple of years. It was pretty good, there was no issue until we found the fan makes a lot of noise and it gets so hot while you use it for 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes does have some sort of unexpected shutdown. So you're going to treat this machine and solve these overheating issues by replacing the thermal paste, cleaning up the fan and heatsink. Hopefully that would resolve any sort of overheating issues. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take this back cover off by removing few screws, disconnect the battery, and then you will see rest in the video. If you do have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and I hope you would enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that should come out. So look at this. It's a couple of years old, and so this is what happened. So we're gonna disconnect it. And now you see the actual heatsink and stuff is pretty bad, so we're gonna take those out. Alright, so this is the actual heatsink, as you can see here. The worst one is the processor. You see, that's what happened. So what are you going to do? We're going to clean this up. Right, and also we need to fan, so we're going to give it a clean.